This is Stephen Carter, your host for the No Stress Tech Show, part of the Stress Solutions LLC family of resources. In this video, you will learn how to use voice typing in Google Docs. With voice typing, you can create and even format content in a Google Doc and copy-paste that content into other applications such as an email. To use voice typing, you need to be using the Chrome browser and have a Google account. In this example, we will open a Google Doc from Gmail. Go to the tic-tac-toe menu icon in the upper right, click and scroll down to Google Docs and open the application. Click the plus sign to open a new blank document. Go to Tools in the menu and select Voice Typing. If this is the first time you're using voice typing, you will be prompted to allow Google to access your microphone. Go ahead and allow that. For this demonstration, we will select a larger font size to make it easier for you to see on screen. Once you select the voice typing menu command, you will see a microphone icon. When you click the icon, begin speaking. You'll see your words appearing on screen. You will need to add basic formatting commands by saying, for example, period, or comma, or new paragraph. You can do advanced editing by voice, but that option is beyond the scope of this introductory demo. If you make a mistake while dictating, repeat the sentence where the error happened and keep talking. You can edit out mistakes once you're done. Let's dictate our content for this demonstration message. I'll click the microphone icon and begin speaking. Mary, comma, new paragraph. Thank you for placing an order for our new product, period. We are excited to offer this upgrade, period. There is no doubt your workflow will be much faster when you use the full capabilities of the new Creative Suite, period. New paragraph. Thanks again, Mary! Exclamation point. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback once you have the Creative Suite up and running, period. New paragraph. Sincerely, comma, new paragraph, Stephen Carter, new paragraph, Sales and Marketing Director. Click the microphone icon to stop dictation. Notice there are a couple of edits needed. I'll make those corrections using my keyboard, but by voice typing, I can create the document faster than using manual typing for the main body of the message. If you would like to send that message by email, simply copy and paste the content into a blank email and format it as needed. Thank you, Google, for creating this easy-to-use voice typing feature.